May I have your attention, please? Attention, please! I can deal with this trouble, friends, with the wave of my hand, this very hand. Please observe me, if you will. I'm Professor Harold Hill, and I'm here to organize Varsity Boys Band. Well, band's a joke, my friends, and yes, I'm your boys band, do you hear me? I say, Riversea's gotta have a boys band, now me, she needs it today. Well, Professor Harold Hill's on hand, and Riversea's gotta have a boys band, and that band's gotta be in uniform.
76 trombones and the big parade, 110 cornets close at hand. There are rows and rows of the finest virtuosos supreme of every famous man. 76 trombones like the morning sun, with 110 cornets rising high. There are 1,000 rows ringing up like these camera horns of every shape and kind.
Now this next song from the Music Band is a little more complicated. It really is two songs in one. Pick a Little, Talk a Little is sung by the women who are led by the mayor's wife. And like any good Midwestern mayor's wife, she likes to gossip. And so she's got her women around her, and in the movie, I think you will remember that the director even depicted little chickens, you know, and they were doing this funny thing with the cameras to make it seem like they were really birds, okay? And then we have, on the other hand, these four people who are part of the school board, and of course they're concerned about this Professor Harold Hill, but Harold Hill has just convince them that if they sing together, everything will work out. And so this is Pick a Little, Talk a Little, and Good Night, Lady.